Learn English through songs with Reflex English.
Let's take a detailed look at the lyrics. First, read the lyrics. Then, type in the comments the phrase we're going to analyze. This will help you remember the correct spelling.
For a while there, it was rough. But lately, I've been doing better. Than the last 4 cold Decembers. I recall.
For a while there.
For a while there. The phrase, for a while there, means for a short period of time in the past. It is often used to describe a temporary situation or event that has since changed. For example, for a while there, I thought I had lost my keys. For a while there, it seemed like it was going to rain.
Story. Write down all the words you understand in the comments below. For a while there, Anna thought she lost her keys. She searched everywhere in her house. For a while there, she even checked the fridge. Her cat watched her with curious eyes. For a while there, Anna felt very frustrated. Then, she found the keys in her bag. For a while there, she laughed at herself for being so forgetful.
It was rough.
It was rough. The phrase, it was rough, means that a situation or experience was difficult, challenging, or unpleasant. It often describes times when things did not go smoothly or were hard to endure. For example, you might say, it was rough after a tough day at work or a difficult journey.
Story. Write down all the words you understand in the comments below. It was rough when Tom started his new job. The first week, it was rough to wake up early. His boss was strict, and it was rough to meet deadlines. One day, it was rough because he forgot his lunch. By Friday, it was rough, but Tom felt proud he made it through.
I've been doing better.
I've been doing better. The phrase, I've been doing better, means that someone is feeling or doing better than they were before, but they are still not at their best. It suggests improvement from a previous state of difficulty or illness, but not complete recovery or optimal condition.
Story. Write down all the words you understand in the comments below. I've been doing better since I started exercising. At first, it was hard, but now I've been doing better with my routine. My friend asked how I was, and I said I've been doing better. Even my sleep has improved, so I've been doing better in the mornings. Overall, I've been doing better and feeling happier.
I recall.
I recall. The phrase, I recall, is used to indicate that you remember something from the past. It often introduces a memory or a piece of information that you are bringing back to mind. For example, you might say, I recall meeting her at the conference last year.
Story. Write down all the words you understand in the comments below. I recall the first time I saw the ocean. I recall the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. I recall the salty smell in the air. I recall the feeling of sand between my toes. I recall the joy of building sandcastles with my family. Those memories always make me smile.
Listen to the short story with all the phrases and write them in the comments below. I recall the time when life was difficult for me. I had just lost my job, and I felt very sad. Every day was a struggle. I woke up and thought about how to pay my bills. It was rough for a while there. I often stayed in bed, feeling lost and worried. One day, I decided to change things. I started to look for new jobs and sent many applications. I also called my friends for support. They helped me feel better and gave me hope. Slowly, I began to see some light. After a few weeks, I got an interview. I prepared well and felt confident. When I received the call with the good news, I was so happy. I had a new job, and it felt like a new beginning. Now, I have been doing better. I enjoy my work and feel proud of myself. Sometimes, I think about those tough days, but I know they made me stronger. Life is not always easy, but I believe in myself now.
Post in the comments if you liked it and want a full breakdown of the song.
Reflex English. Learn like a native.